Stop by and take a look at the 2025 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, front-wheel drive, trip computer, compass, clock, brake assist, outside temperature gauge, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.